What's up, family? You want to take your email marketing game to another level? I'm going to give you 5 tips that every pastor should know about email marketing. Keep it locked. Let's go to tip number 1. You want to start your email marketing campaign with a clear goal. Every email should have one clear purpose: to inform, inspire, invite, or encourage. You want to define the goal before writing your email. Okay? Tip number 2: write like you're talking to a friend. Okay, so whenever you write that email to your church congregation or reaching out to a first time visitor, whatever the email may be, write like you're talking to a friend. Keep your tone warm and conversational. You can use names, short sentences, and authentic language that reflects your church culture. Tip number 3: you want to add a strong CTA, and that's short for call to action. All right. So you tell your audience exactly what you want them to do next. There's many times when we send out an email and it's just full of information, but there's no next step. So you want to add a next step in that email, whether it be RSVP, join a group, read more, or attend a service. Be clear and bold. All right. Tip number 4: use a clean and mobile friendly design. This is very important because many people check their emails on their phones. And if your email is not mobile friendly, it's like too small to read in the phone, or it's not lining up correctly in the phone, people probably won't read your email. Use readable fonts, simple layouts, and short paragraphs. You don't want to write a whole sea of paragraphs. What I usually try to stick to is I try to stick to about 3 sentences at the max in a paragraph. Let's go to tip number 5: send emails at the right time. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays work well for churches. Track your results and adjust for your audience. Also, another good time to send an email is a Sunday night. Maybe you had a powerful service, or maybe you had a revival, or maybe you had your church service that Sunday morning, regular church service. Maybe it wasn't a revival. You can send an email that Sunday night saying, "Man, we had a great time in church, and look forward to seeing you at the next one if you weren't able to make it. If you were there, reply to this email how God ministered to you." All right, what I want to do now is I want to give you some bonus tips and techniques. Use segmentation to target specific groups: new visitors, volunteers, youth, etc. So if you have a good email marketing program, you can put all your contacts into a segment. So you can send a custom email just to that group. That's called segmentation. All right. Another bonus tip is A B test subject lines to increase open rates. What's A B testing? Say you have a subject line, uh, check out this blog. And then you write another subject line, this is a Power Pack blog. So you have two different subject lines. That's your A and that's your B, and then you run them at the same time, testing them out, and then you see which one's getting more clicks and more engagement. That's called A B testing.